how do you want to open this file on Windows 10 or 11 fix. So if you want to fix the problem of how do you want to open this file on your Windows, then first you just need simply go with your search and search for default apps. After searching for default apps, now you just need simply go and search for Chrome, and here you need to go with the first option, select Microsoft Edge, and then select your Google Chrome and then set it as a default. So you just need simply go and change it to Microsoft Edge and then go to Google Chrome, and once you've set that, your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply change the default app and again change back it to the preferred browser, and it might fix your problem. Or the second solution is to go with your search again and then search for settings. Under settings, you need to go with the apps section, and under apps, you need to go with Microsoft Store. Once you find your Microsoft Store, you just need to simply click on the Microsoft Store application. After searching, you need to just click on the application and then again click on it. Once you find your Microsoft Store, you just need to simply go with the right side and then you will have modify option. So you just need to simply go with modify, or you can go with search, and here you need to search for Microsoft Store, and here you need to go with app settings. Under the app settings, here you need to scroll down and then you need to go and reset or repair the Microsoft Store application. After reset or repairing, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't work, then the third solution is you need to search for Registry Editor. So go with your search for Registry Editor, click on yes, and from here you need to go with HKey classes root and then go with .exe, which is right here, and go with the right side which has that default, right click on it and then go with modify, and here under the value data it should be exe file, and after that you need to scroll down again and here you'll find exe file, which is right here, and here you need to go with default, right click on it, go with modify, and here you need to set the value data as application, and after that you need to expand the shell, and under shell you need to go with open and then go with command. And under command, you need to go with default, right click on it, go with modify, and the value data should be %1% with the quotations. And after this, you need to just go and restart your device. After restarting, it will fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.